Hello astrology lovers, welcome to AstroBasic, the first place to learn astrology. I am Jayant Kumar and I will be your host for today's session from AstroBasic channel. Today I am going to discuss about friendship of planets. So far we have discussed about introduction of Vedic astrology. In that we have discussed about from where Vedic astrology came and how any individual can get benefit from that, and in that we discussed about how our surroundings 360 degrees divided into zodiac sign and the constellations. And then we discussed about horoscope houses, where we discussed about all the 12 houses, and then we discussed about planets, and then planets and their properties, different type of properties, and then their strength. And today I am going to discuss about their friendship. So if you have not watched any videos, so you can click on that link and you can watch that. So today's topic is friendship of planets. We can take this as an example. Suppose there is a house in that, suppose 2 or 3 friends are staying, or 3 people are staying basically, and if 2 people are friend, then you can understand like both can be happy, and both whatever their mission is or their goal is, if one party wants to go to achieve that, second one definitely suggest him or give him good company, or even though if they will not able to give company, at least they will leave him so that they can do their job whatever they want to do. That both will complement each other. But instead of that, if both people are not friend, they are enemy, then first of all the both will get disturbed always, and the second thing, whatever their agenda or goal they want to achieve, so both will create disturbance to each other. Same thing happens with the planets also. In a house, when 2 planets or 3 planets or whatever number of planets, if they are sitting, and if they are friend, then definitely they will support each other and they will fulfill their goal or the agenda, whatever the result, whatever they are promising, they will able to fructify, and the amount of result you can understand, it will be very high. But instead of that, if both are like enemy, then that planet will get disturbed, and the result you will see coming with lot of disturbance, and it is not smooth. How this friendship basically we can decide whether 2 planets are friends or not. So in that basically there are 2 methods. One is like Naisargic friendship method, and second one is like Tatkalik or temporary friendship method. We decide friendship on basis of both method, and then we conclude using both method, then we conclude final result whether they are friends or enemy or they are neutral, because in planets might be like they are not friends or they are not enemy, but they are neutral. So when they are neutral means both can do whatever they want. It's not like they are getting any support, or it's not like they are getting disturbed by others. How it is, we will see how this Naisargic friendship and that temporary Tatkalik friendship gets decided. As we have seen in my previous video, the strength of planet is very important for prediction, because if planets are strong, then they will uh, whatever promise they are doing, that will get fructify. So if planets are not strong, so the result whatever they are promising, it may get delay, or the amount of result what it should give, that get reduced. In order to do that, there is an important concept like friendship of planets. What it does basically, if planets are friendly, they will improve their result. If the planets are not sitting with friendly planets, so it will you can understand in a house, if there are 2 person, if both are not friend, then how the both person will get disturbed. Instead of that, if both planets are very strong or friendly, so both can like complement each other, and both can give the good result. Same way, there are 2 method of friendship, but to decide the final friendship result, we need both the method combinedly. So here is the first one, that is called Naisargic friendship table. In that you can see these all the planets like Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn, and here is their friendly planet and neutral planet and enemy planets. Planets like who are friendly, and some planets are neither friendly nor enemy, so those are considered as a neutral planet, and these are the enemy planets. But you will see that like for Moon there is no enemy planets, and for Moon Mercury is a friend, but if you see the Mercury, Moon is enemy. So it's not necessary for one planet, if somebody is another planet is friend, that doesn't mean like for the other planet this planet will be the friend. They may be neutral, they may be enemy. Second comes like tatkalik or temporary friendship. It depends on the where the planet is positioned. There are two rules in that. So first rule says that if planets placed in the second, third, fourth, 10th, 11th and 12th from another planet, any planets uh, if sitting from there another planet second, third, fourth, 10th, 11th and 12th, so they become the friend. Likewise, so any planets who is placed 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th from another planet, so they become their temporary enemy. In this we are deciding the final friendship using the previous two friendship method like Naisargic one and temporary one. So if if two planets are temporary friend but in Naisargic chart they are friend, then considered as a great friend. So in temporary friendship chart, if that is considered as a friend and in Naisargic it is neutral, then it is considered as a friend. In temporary friends, if they are friend and in Naisargic they are enemy, then it becomes neutral. So in temporary chart, if it is enemy and Naisargic it is neutral, then it becomes enemy. And in temporary they are enemy and Naisargic also they are enemy, then they become the great enemy. In this way, whatever the final results are, this way we decide the two planets are friend or enemy or neutral. And if it is both are friends, then definitely the place where they are sitting, they will definitely give good result. But if they are enemy, they will definitely impact that house. And if it is neutral, so they will give like average kind of result, or all these things get impact when their Mahadasha, Antardasha or Pratyantardasha comes. So we have seen how these friendship or enemy or two planets are neutral is getting decided using that Tatkalik friendship and Naisargic friendship. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe below or a small YouTube tiny icon, and don't forget to like my Facebook page as well. And if you have any question about this topic or about your life, then you can visit my website www.astrobasic.com in Q&A section to ask questions. And if you want more info about this topic, you can also visit my website www.astrobasic.com. Link of Facebook and my website is given in description. Stay tuned. See you in next video. Bye bye. There are different way of checking the strength of the planet. One very famous method is Shadbal, which we are going to discuss today. And then there is another method in that we are checking the degree. As per their degree, we are deciding whether it's which age of planet it is. Like it's baby, it is young, it is